Can you kiss it, babe?
Alright, what's up, y'all? Today we're doing an unboxing of the Kobe 5s. Hall of Fame, baby, Hall of Fame. Today I got a special guest with me. This is...
Bendo 15. Catch me on IG. I'm dropping off some fresh cop goodness. Shout out to Yuri Loveless, size 12 only fan. Facebook, catch them.
Catch them on Facebook. So we'll link their Facebook down below, as well as Bendo's IG in case you want to check them out. But today we're doing the unboxing of the Kobe 5s. Kobe 5s are my favorite Kobe's of all time. Bendo, what's your favorite Kobe's?
I am Kobe 4 favorite.
Kobe 4s. Kobe 4s are legit too. Kobe 5s are my favorite. Them 4, probably 8. I wear a lot of 8s. So we're gonna get into this unboxing. Bendo brought his pair along. I got my pair. We haven't seen them yet. This is just our unboxing reaction. First time opening. Bendo got a knife? You got a knife?
I got one right here.
Alright. I got, if you saw the Toro 5 unboxing, I got the green one. For the cucumbers. Last time I almost cut the shoebox. So this time I'm gonna be real careful.
Safety first. Ooh, yeah.
This box right here, though. So these are the Undftd Kobe's. You can see right there, Undftd on the box. This right here is, I got me a size 12, because you know I wear that size 12. Then what size you get?
I also got a size 12. It's my real size.
That big feet gang, you know? Alright, man. First impression. Ooh, that's some nice paper. Ooh.
2006 League MVP, 5-time champion. He has his accolades.
Accolades right there on the paper. Are you ready?
Been crying about
we're
these.
so big Kobe fans over here, alright? So these are, being that these are probably the last 2 releases for Nike, I think, right?
Yeah, because we might have one more.
They pulled the contract, so these are very important shoes right here. Are you ready? Oh, you saw it?
Oh my God!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, these are fire right here.
I got goosebumps.
You gotta smell it too. You gotta smell it. Ooh! Alright, so here you go. These are the Kobe's. And on the swoosh it says 24, 10, and 8, which is basically the jersey numbers Kobe wore. So you got 8 for the first half of his career, 24 for the second half, and then number 10 for
the U.S. Olympics.
The Olympics, baby.
Man, oh, they got something on the sole, on the insole. I can't wait till the gyms are back open.
Oh, you gonna play in these, huh?
I might play in these.
Damn, these are nice.
Not that I play basketball.
I like the snake skin on there.
Oh, the laces, the insole.
Oh, damn, that's the insole? Undftd insole?
Undftd insole. This is like $15 right here. Oh, the other insole doesn't have nothing, but...
Alright, so we can do some detailed shots, like a quick video, a little B-roll for you, so you can see the details of the Kobe's, and then
see how fire these are.
be it. I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And tune in for more vlogs because they come soon.
Kobe 5, Protro, Hall of Fame, Undefeated.
Long ass name. Bow.
There. You're a star.
Good
Oh,
job.
bye.
Good job. It's good of you guys to include him.
Yeah.